Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. Yoga is a process in which man tries to bring his mind, body and soul together. It is a beautiful physical, mental and spiritual practice that is adopted in India. It was first started by our present Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. The practice of yoga is gaining worldwide appreciation and popularity. People all over the world are moving towards practicing yoga for having a healthy life. As we celebrate Yoga Day in our school, I feel honored to welcome the eminent guest of the day, Mr. Sadish, the yoga instructor who trains the students in Russia. Our principal, Sister Joffy OP, teachers, parents and dear friends to this celebration. Let the celebration help you to come to realization that it employs unity of mind and body.
Namaste to everyone. First, I would like to say thanks for gifting this beautiful moment. Today, International Day of Yoga. All over the world celebrating yoga by doing some activities related to yoga. The word means yoga, the state of harmony between body and mind. It helps to relieve our mental stress and improve immune system and keep us healthy. It doesn't only improve the body functions, and it helps to cleanse our thought and makes it sacred and pure. So, please, every day practice yoga at least 30 minutes. Wish you happy International Day of Yoga.
Respected guest of the day, Mr. Sadish Kumar, yoga trainer in Russia, Mr. Rahul Raj sir, rank holder in Mr. Kerala Bodybuilding Championship, dear parents, staff and my loving students, Happy International Yoga Day to all. We celebrate Yoga Day to spread the significance of yoga and motivate the people to make it as a part of their life. This year's theme of the event is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. As per the words of Mr. Amit Rai, yoga is not a religion, it's a science. It's a science of well-being, it's a science of youthfulness, and it's a science of integrating body, mind and soul. Yes, it is a wholesome exercise. Including yoga in our daily life is one of the healthiest practice. So, once again, happy Yoga Day to all. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.
Rig Veda is one of the most sacred and the oldest books of human history. It is about 8 to 10,000 years old, and yoga is a part of this Vedic literature. Maharishi Patanjali, considered to be the authority on yoga, propounded yoga nearly 5,000 years ago. Lord Krishna and many saints of India have also spoken about yoga. In the Middle Ages, the practice of yoga was confined only to the royal and the scholarly class. It was taught to students in gurukuls after passing a rigorous test. In the recent years, by the effort of many spiritual and religious leaders of India, the doors of yoga have been opened to the common man and to each and every human being on this planet. Yoga is the union of body, mind and spirit. The individual to the universal. Yoga is realizing the connection between the finite and the infinite, the manifest and the unmanifest. Yoga is bringing harmony in thought, word and deed. Maharishi Patanjali elucidated 8 limbs of yoga. Somehow, in today's age, yoga has become associated with only physical postures. When one is in harmony within, the journey of life is calmer, happier, and more fulfilling. Life starts flowing in a direction to unite with its very source.
A very warm welcome to one and all. It's me, Stacey Estevil of grade 10. So as you all know, today is June 21st. We are celebrating International Yoga Day. Yoga is not related to any religion or any caste. It is a free course that everyone can follow along in your life. So let me share you some benefits of doing yoga in your everyday life. Some of the asanas in yoga help you to gain flexibility and also to lose weight. And also some breathing exercises help you to fight against in this COVID pandemic. So I hope you all will follow along yoga in your everyday life, and thank you.
संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है, योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है।
संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है, योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है।
योगा से जागा सारा संसार है, योगा से जागा सारा संसार है।
हो स्वच्छ मन रहे स्वस्थ तन, हर सांस में हो नई उमंग। ऐसा हो बस जीने का ढंग, झूले जो हम उड़कर गगन।
योगा से जागा संसार
झूले जो हम उड़कर गगन,
योगा से जागा संसार
झूले जो हम उड़कर गगन।
Yoga for well-being. Well, this year's theme has been conceived to stress how the practice of yoga can help maintain and promote the sound health of body, mind and soul during this COVID-19 pandemic. Let's make yoga part of our life. Wish you all happy Yoga Day.
Yoga is a gateway of happiness that body needs in daily life. Happy Yoga Day.
The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corner of our body. Happy International Yoga Day.
യോഗവും ധ്യാനവും ഉപയോഗിച്ച് സന്തോഷത്തോടെയും ആരോഗ്യത്തോടെയും സുഹൃത്തുക്കളാകുക. അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര യോഗ ദിനം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Happy Yoga Day.
Make the journey of life more beautiful with yoga. Happy International Yoga Day.